Credit score confusion. Borrowell versus Credit Karma. Which one do you need? Ever applied for a loan or a new credit card only to be met with a mysterious number called a credit score? This three-digit figure can feel like a magic gatekeeper to your financial future. But where do you even check this score, and why are there so many options? Today, we're diving into the world of Borrowell and Credit Karma, two popular credit monitoring services. Buckle up, because we're about to unlock the credit score mystery. The credit report, your financial fingerprint. Imagine your credit report as a detailed report card for your borrowing habits. It tracks things like your credit card usage, loan payments, and even public records like bankruptcies. These reports are compiled by credit bureaus, which are basically the detectives of the financial world. They gather information from lenders and create a snapshot of your creditworthiness. There are two main credit bureaus in Canada, Equifax and TransUnion. Think of them as different schools issuing slightly different report cards. While the core information is similar, the way they weigh factors can lead to slight variations in your score. Enter Borrowell and Credit Karma, credit check champs. This is where Borrowell and Credit Karma come in. These free services offer a glimpse into your credit health by providing access to your credit score and a basic credit report, but there's a catch. Borrowell pulls your information from Equifax, while Credit Karma uses TransUnion. So, depending on which service you use, you'll be seeing a score based on the report card from one particular bureau. So, which service is right for you? Here's where things get interesting. Since both bureaus use different scoring models, your score might differ slightly between Borrowell and Credit Karma. There's no single better service, but here's how to decide which one fits your needs. The multi-bureau approach. Want a more comprehensive picture? Consider using both Borrowell and Credit Karma. This lets you see how your credit health stacks up according to both Equifax and TransUnion. Having a broader view can help you identify potential discrepancies in your reports and take corrective actions if needed. The Deal Finder. Looking for the best credit card deals or loan rates? Borrowell and Credit Karma often showcase personalized offers based on your credit score. However, these might not always be the absolute best options. It's crucial to do your own research and compare rates before committing. The Budget Conscious Monitor. Both services offer free credit monitoring, which means they'll notify you of any changes to your credit report. This is a great way to stay on top of potential identity theft or errors in your report. Beyond the score, building better credit. Remember, your credit score is just one piece of the financial puzzle. Both Borrowell and Credit Karma offer educational resources to help you understand credit reports, improve your score, and make informed financial decisions. Borrowell and Credit Karma are valuable tools, but they're not magic wands. Understanding the differences between them empowers you to use them strategically. Remember, a healthy credit score takes time and responsible financial management. So, leverage these services, but don't forget the importance of building good credit habits for the long haul. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.